Okay, hopefully this works because last time I did it, it cut me short and I froze in the middle of it. So we only have 5 minutes to do this lesson. This is lesson 24, day 1 or 2. Okay, we have Lucy. She has a total of 2 hours to do her errands. She has to go to the post office, the grocery store, and get a haircut. They want to know how much time she has left to get her car washed. So we need to convert all the units to minutes. Since it starts out with 2 hours, we have to convert 2 hours to minutes. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So you multiply 2 times 60, and you notice there are 120 minutes total. So the way they model it to do it, I wouldn't do it this way, because I don't have a number line just lying around. But they went backwards, as you can see. They start at 120, and they have her 15 minutes to the post office, 45 minutes, whereas 60, then 40 more minutes to get the haircut. How I would do it, that call I will let go. How I would do it, I'll show you off to the side. So that's how they did it. That's how you model it. Here we go, screen sketch. All right, and it paused me again. So I'm just going to pause it right now. I do not know why it's doing this. Now, when I switch over to my pen, it's going to freeze me, but you'll be able to see my screen and see what I'm doing. So how I would do it, I would add up the minutes spent on task. So I would add up 45 plus 40 plus 15. You add that up, you get 100. Then I would subtract 120 minus 100, and you get 20 minutes. As you see, that the way I did it, I got 20. The way they did it, they got 20. You will get the same answer doing it 2 different ways. So whichever way you feel like is most comfortable for you, go ahead and do it. Now we're just going to talk through in the next page. So number 2, how much time in minutes does she have to run all of her errands? We just did that. She has a total of 120 minutes to do all of her errands. How can you find the total amount? Like I said, you add them together. Or you could do a number line if you wanted to. If you want to do a bar models, go for it. I would just add them all together. That was for number 3. And write the equation. Write an equation to show this amount. Again, I'm going to freeze again because my computer does not like me. So my equation would be 15 plus 40 plus 45 equals time. That would be my equation. Then write and solve the equation for the unknown amount she has left to get her car washed would be 120 minus, when you solve this, t equals 100. 120 minus 100 equals, I'm going to do an L, time left, since T, I already used T for the time, total time on number 3. Now number 5, how would you subtract 45 minutes from 100, or 1 hour, 25 minutes? Explain what to do and why you do it. I'm just going to unfreeze myself. Remember, you need to put all the units the same. And on here you have minutes, but you have 1 hour, 25 minutes. So you are going to have to, how many minutes are in 1 hour? 60. So you're going to have to add 60 plus 25. So this is 85 minutes. Then you would subtract 85 minus 42. And then when we're subtracting, we get 43 minutes left. Okay, go ahead and pause it now to do the try it on your own, and unpause it once you are finished. Okay, it's telling me that I have 25 seconds to do the remaining part. So she spent 7 hours of school on Friday, 30 and 5. You're going to have to multiply 7 by 60 and you get 420. You would subtract 420 minus a total of 80 and you would get 340 minutes. And on here you would subtract it and you get 90 seconds left.